Now, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, you might be wasting some of your money if you are buying these supplements. Protein powder or protein drinks are essentially a different source of convenient protein, which you can take to improve your muscle mass, improve recovery, and get the best results out of your workouts. But is it really necessary? This is the problem with the fitness industry, is they prey on people who don't know that these products are glorified protein. These are not magic. They are no different than you eating a chicken breast, eating a bunch of cottage cheese, eating some Greek yogurt, drinking some milk. They are literally no different at all. And for some people who are running and gunning throughout the day and don't have time to prepare these meals that are high in protein, this can be a really good option. I know for myself, sometimes when I'm on the run and don't have time to get a good chicken breast and some vegetables and a meal, getting a protein shake, a protein bar, and then a piece, and a piece of fruit is sometimes my best option for myself. So by all means, if you want some of these, feel free to get some. I'm actually gonna link down below my favorite protein powder I recommend for you to try.